In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Instants in Instagram. If you find Instants distracting or you just prefer a cleaner browsing experience, I'll walk you through exactly where the setting lives and how to switch it off. We'll move slowly, keep it clear, and make sure you know what to look for on each screen so you don't miss anything. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your home feed. From here, go straight to your profile so we can access the controls you need. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. That takes you to your profile page where you can change your account and content settings. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. This opens the main menu panel. From this menu, we're heading into the area that lets you shape what you see in the app. Now, scroll down until you see Content Preferences. This section is designed to help you manage the types of content Instagram shows you, and it's exactly where the instance control is located. Tap Content Preferences to open it. Inside Content Preferences, scroll all the way to the bottom. There you'll see a box or section labeled Hide Instants. This is the control that turns off instants in your feed. To disable them, tap the toggle next to Hide Instants. When the toggle is on, it will indicate that instants are hidden. You might see the switch slide to the right and change color or display a clear on state depending on your device. There's no separate save button here. Instagram applies the change immediately. Once you flip the toggle, you're done. You can back out to your profile or return to your home feed. Instants will no longer appear, giving you a calmer, more streamlined experience. If you ever change your mind, return to the same Content Preferences screen and switch the toggle back. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Instagram updates its layout from time to time. Content preferences might appear slightly higher or lower in the list, but it will still be under the menu you opened from your profile. If you don't see the Hide Instance option, it may not be available yet for your account or region. That's all there is to it. You've just turned off Instants in Instagram quickly and confidently, and you can enjoy your feed the way you prefer.